Right, welcome to day 7 of the Advent project. So you should now have, oh hang on, first of all I need to introduce the assistant.
Hey guys, I just found a giant slug outside.
Eat it. Girl, this slug stretches. Okay, so hopefully you now have two
Pet slugs.
boards all glued up, all nice and straight. And hopefully you managed to clamp them a little bit and let them all dry. So today is a very easy day. You're going to choose which one of these you want to go on the bottom and which one at the top. Put the one that you're keeping for the lid to one side and get the one for the bottom for what we're going to do today, which is we're going to drill. All we're doing is drilling a few holes right around the edge, ready to fix it on to the bottom of your box. After you glue, if you did manage to clamp it, you might have had some glue squeezing out, like that. So the first thing you'll have to do is get your sandpaper and flatten that all off, get it all nice and flat. Secondly, depending on how well you lined up your dowels, the flatter you can get this board, the better. So, once you've cleaned the glue off, what you can do is get a ruler, and as you can see from ours, it's a bit bent. Some of that will be alright because you'll screw that on, but if there's any major high points between the joints, like that, again, you can try and flatten some of that off with sandpaper. You'd really need a wood plane to do it properly. So if you've got a plane it. If you don't, you're just gonna have to try and sand it off as best you can. Just try and get it as flat as possible. If it's slightly bent like that, don't worry, because when you screw it to the bottom, you'll be able to take that bend out of it. Okay, so we'll show you how to mark and screw the holes in this now. Ready, Wolfie?
Yes.
Let's do it. Well, the video we had last time had a big bit of wood in the way, didn't it? Okay, so you've got the bit that's going to be your bottom. You've cleaned the glue off. You've sanded off any major high points. So what you do now is get one of your side pieces.
Very hard to find.
And you put it on the edge of your board so that it's flush on the outside, like that. And then just lightly draw a line like that. And then what you're going to do, you're going to do that all the way around all 4 sides. Mark those up. And then once you've done that, you're going to put a cross at the top corner, kind of in the middle, not too near the edge. Actually, what you'll need to do is mark that one as well. So once you've marked all 4, you're going to put a little cross in that corner, then one in the middle of this board, and one in this corner. And then down this side, we're going to put 4 screws. So just kind of, if you and then if you want to be super neat, you can measure these and mirror them down here, or a quick way of doing it is to get your saw
and put it right to the edge, put it up tight and draw down.
And then just mark them down here. Okay, so we'll go ahead and mark all this up and then we'll show you the next stage. Okay?
Okay then.
So here you have everything marked out, all your little crosses. Then all you're going to do today is drill all the way through these on each cross. So you're going to drill a hole right the way through the board, and that is everything that you're going to do today. So we'll drill those quickly and show you what we mean. And there you have it, everything marked out, all your holes drilled, and that is it for today. So we'll see you tomorrow for the next stage. Nice easy one today, and it's another easy one tomorrow. Okay, so we'll see you soon. Say bye.
Bye-bye.